Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Creditfixrr. Hey, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can connect your Connectly account to Creditfixrr, right? And so when you do this, you'll be able to add clients from Creditfixrr. Once you add them in the system, like by clicking add new client, once you add a new client into the system, it will be added Connectly automatically. Now, this works for all Go High Level white labels. So you can apply it the same way, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to, I'm going to show you guys real quick. So you see how I already have the API key here? The way in which you do this, you would select one of the Go High Level accounts that you want to connect. If yours is not listed here, just go ahead and select other. For me, I'm using Connectly, and you can see part of the API key. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Connectly. You're going to go to your settings tab. So it's simply right here. And then you're going to go to where you see that API key. You're going to copy that API key. And then you're going to head back to Creditfixrr. You're going to paste that API key right here, okay? Once you do that, you're going to click this checkbox right here and then click it's updated. Now, I'm going to show you so client, Connectly, client add, right? And I'm just going to call it client add at Connectly.com, right? And then you can you don't have to. These are only required fields. Go ahead and click submit. Notice that client is added to Creditfixrr and the other client added right here. Now you can head back to Connectly, go to